Welcome to our kitchen, where tradition meets innovation. In today's video, we're going to show you the time-honored process of curing a volcanic rock mortar. Place a handful of uncooked white rice into the mortar and grind it using a pestle to cover the interior surface. Continue grinding until the rice turns into a fine powder. Discard the rice powder from the mortar and give it a quick scrub. Then add a generous amount of coarse salt into the mortar. Grind the salt using the pestle, covering the surface as you did with the rice. Grind it until it turns into a fine powder. Discard the salt from the mortar. Repeat the rice and salt grinding process a few times until the water runs clear and there is no residue left. Rinse the mortar thoroughly with water and use an escobetta or brush to remove any remaining rice and salt particles. Now that your mortar is cured and ready, enjoy the authentic flavors it will bring to your favorite recipes. Happy cooking!